Welcome to Auto Accounting Technologies Private Limited. Today we will walk you through our powerful e-invoicing module. To begin, click on Download Sample File. Open the Excel file after downloading it. This sample sheet provides the correct format for your invoice data. To avoid errors, these fields have drop-down menus for easy selection. Some fields are mandatory. Now, fill in your invoice data and return to the module. Upload Excel file by clicking on the Choose File option. Now click on Validate Sales Data. If all data is valid, you'll see a green tick on the screen. Click on Download Validated Excel link to get the validated sheet. You'll see all the validated invoices highlighted in green, a clear indication that your data is correct. But if there are any invalid entries, the module will display a red cross to indicate errors in your file, as shown in the video with a sample invalid Excel file. Download the result file to review the invalid entries. Whether it's a missing value, wrong format, or mismatch, it's clearly listed. In the last column, you'll see the exact reason for each error. Fix the issues and re-upload the file for a clean validation. Now, to verify whether invoices are validated by Iris, click on Validate from Iris. A loader will appear while the Iris check is being performed. Once the validation is complete, the Download Excel link will start to blink. Click on Download Excel link. Open the Excel file to review the validated invoices. In the last column, you'll see a message confirming that the invoices were validated from Iris. To print the logo of your company on the invoice, click on Choose File option and select the logo of your company. Now click Upload on Iris and wait for the loader to complete. Once the loader is completed, again click on Download Excel link. Open the Excel file to review the updated sheet. You'll also find the serial code assigned by Iris for each submitted invoice. Now, instead of downloading Excel sheet, click on Download PDF link to save the sales tax invoices. On the PDF file, you see the submitted invoice with barcode, FBR logo, and serial number. Now let's go through the dashboard feature of our module. When you click on the dashboard option, you'll enter a central space where all invoice records are stored. Invoices whose output tax has been submitted through e-invoicing will be displayed here. By default, the dashboard shows 5 transactions. To view more, simply click on the Show Entries drop-down and increase the count as needed. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find several filters designed to help you analyze data efficiently. The first is the General filter. This allows you to narrow down results using drop-down options. For example, if you select Telenor from the business name drop-down, the table will refresh and display data specific to that customer. Next is the Date filter. Here, you can specify a particular invoice date. If you select June 24th as the starting date, it will display all data from June 24th onward. You also have multiple download and action options within the dashboard. You can click Download Excel icon to get the currently filtered data in Excel format. Open the file, and you'll see your filtered invoice data laid out neatly in rows and columns. Want to view the invoices again in document form? Just click on the PDF icon, and it will download the sale invoices as individual PDF files. There is also a quick way to share your filtered data with your customers. Click the Email button. it will prompt you to enter a recipient's email address. Click OK, and the system will send the data to the customer. After the sending is completed, one email will be sent to the customer, and another copy will be sent to the registered email of the user. As you can see, the Excel and PDF files are attached to the mail. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features of the dashboard, the pivot table. By clicking on the pivot table button, your data is instantly summarized and displayed pivot style in a single row, based on your selected fields. To reset and see everything again, simply unclick Pivot Table. Clear any filters applied, and click on Pivot Table again. Wait for the loader. Now you can see your entire dataset automatically grouped into 24 fields. This feature gives you a quick and powerful overview, helping you analyze the filtered data more effectively. To go back to the regular view, simply unclick the Pivot Table again. At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll find a graph representing invoice trends visually. You can adjust the x-axis grouping by selecting day, month, or year, depending on how you want to view the timeline. On the y-axis, you can select the numerical metric you'd like to analyze. For example, sales tax applicable, value excluding sales tax, and more. Let's assume we want to analyze the graph of a specific company. We add Jazz in the business name drop-down field. Now the graph updates to show data specific to Jazz. You can change both x-axis and y-axis values accordingly to gain deeper insights. If you want to search data in the data table, simply use the search option on the top right side. And that wraps up the dashboard overview of our invoice validation module. With filtering, downloading, emailing, pivoting, and visual graphs all in one place, your invoice analysis becomes faster, smarter, and more actionable.